What is black, white and yellow fungal infection?
Mycosis are all opportunistic infection, which means that they attack an individual who has a weak immune system. While the country is still dealing with the coronavirus pandemic, cases of the black fungus are on the rise in our country. Meanwhile, cases of the white fungus and yellow fungus have also been reported from some parts of the country.
What is black fungus?
Black fungus is a term given to a disease called mucormycosis. It is a fungal infection caused by Mucorales, in which the species most commonly implicated are Rhizophus, Mucor and Absidia. Mycosis is a term for fungal infection and hence mucormycosis is caused by Mucor. The blackening of the tissue is what gives it the name. It causes invasion of the tissue and blood vessel and it interrupts the blood supply to the normal tissue, which then get necrosis and changes the color to black. What is white fungus? White fungus is a genus of yeast called Candida. It grows in the lab as white creamy spots on the plates of agar. In humans, they again appear as white creamy spots on the mucosa of oral cavity. They are commensals in the oral cavity and digestive tract and they are present on the skin as well. Candida albicans are the most commonly isolated species and albicans means white, hence the term white fungus. What is yellow fungus? Yellow fungus is a term coined by someone and unfortunately it does not have any significance. Yellow is the color of pus, which is formed whenever there is any bacterial infection. It does not mean that the fungal infection is causing the color. It also most definitely does not mean that there is a new yellow fungus which is more dangerous than black and white fungus. What to do if you get the infection? Do not panic if you develop any symptoms and seek out medical advice at the earliest. It could be your family physician, pulmonologist, ophthalmologist, ENT or your dentist. But do not delay and do not be influenced. Only trust your doctor and consult them before believing online sources.